About this item: durable construction, elegant design. Durable and dense PP fibers create long-lasting bristles for strong cleaning ability but won't scratch the toilet bowl. Flat base secures the toilet bowl brush holder sitting in the bathroom steadily and won't slide easily. Elegant and stylish design works for any bathroom. It's a must-have accessory for your toilet bowl cleaning. Solid ergonomic handle. Features a thick and solid handle which fits comfortably in hand and ensures a firm grip while cleaning. 15.8-inch solid handle brings you more convenience and allows for powerful scrubbing, leaves your toilet bowl spotless and sanitary. Ideal for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. Replaceable brush head, sanitary and efficient cleaning. Strong bristles are not easy to get deformed, which removes stains easily. The dense bristles offer thorough and deep cleaning for underrim area and those hard-to-reach corners. Water easily drips off bristles into bottom of holder, brings you a refreshing cleaning experience. For replacement brush head, please refer to ASNB 08YRDKDQ. Upgraded ventilation design. Lid opens automatically when toilet brush is lifted, and bottom ventilation allows for quick evaporation. Lid closes simultaneously when you place toilet brush back into holder, and the upper ventilation starts working, which provides hygienic air dry. Compact space-saving design keeps your toilet brush hidden and offers a sanitary storage. MR.SIGA's mission: make your housework easier, and make the world cleaner. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.